Alright guys, look, we got the rally armor, so we're about to install them. Getting the screws first. Of course, I got my little monster, and we're about to head out before it gets too dark and screw them on. Alright, so we just moved the car a little over here because we have to put it on the jack, which my dad is using right now. But we're gonna install the mud flaps on the back, on the front, and then the back. Once he's done with his jack over there, we're gonna install it. Well guys, as you can see, it got dark super quick. But if you guys look, bang, we have the mud flap on this one installed. Just 2 screws, guys, that easy. Just screw it on. Make sure you measure it good. Unlike me, who I didn't measure it that well. My man just came out of nowhere, bro. It scared the crap out of me. But guys, yeah, unless, like on the other side, it's a little lower, just by like an inch. And this one is a little higher than an inch. So tomorrow, if it looks super weird, because right now, I mean, it doesn't really bother me that much. I'll be alright. But there it is, the rally armor. Next, we're gonna move on to the back. We have to remove the wheels for this one. And my dad's using the jack on that one. He's also working on his car over there. But I'm gonna have to take the jack out of my car. It's just a little one that you manually do it. So that's gonna be pretty fun. But let's try to do it. Make sure the mud flat. Now these ones, I kind of want them a little aggressive, but not too aggressive. There we go. Alright, so this is the first one. I'm not sure what side it is for. Let's see, should be on the other side. Let me grab this one. Let me sit down for a second. So this one should go on this one. Yep, it should. Alright, let me move the light over here so you can see better. I want it kind of aggressive, but not too aggressive, because you do get a lot of touching the ground a little bit when you go over speed bump. These I want them kind of like this, but I'm not sure if I want them a little lower, like this. Like no, probably something like this. Should be nice. Maybe a little bit more like this. I don't know. I'm gonna see, guys, and I'm gonna hook you up on the tripod so y'all can see how I do it. Alright, so I'm gonna jack up the car. Y'all hear that? That's thunder right there. Okay.
Let me disarm you. I'm not trying to own you. I just wanna know what it feels like to have your body so close.
Dang it, it moved, didn't it? Okay. This is why I go to the gym for. I left you guys back here yesterday. But good morning, guys. It's the next day. I installed the rally armor. This one's a little crooked, I know. The other one, I'm gonna fix this one, and then the other one looks alright. But that is from the other video. I want to thank everybody who watched this video of me taking the car to More Automotive. Guys, we got it back. It's awesome. And my mom's coming real quick. Give me a second. Guys, there's the other 2 rally armors, but they're all wet because it rained yesterday. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I'm about to head to the clinic. I have an appointment, so I'm gonna check on your boy, see how I'm doing. Yeah, I'll be right back. And thank you so much for watching the video once again, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. That's all, guys. Have a good one.